The imaging industry is in a constant state of change. Long gone are the days of copy rooms and growing page volumes. These days, growth requires focus. And with a strong device monitoring foundation, you can concentrate on new revenue opportunities and business expansion. That's where Printanista comes in. Printanista is a cloud-based solution that captures, stores, and analyzes critical device information from your customer environments. This cloud-based solution is flexible, easy to use, and helps you make the most out of your device data. This device-agnostic solution securely collects meters, supply information, device alerts, and attributes, regardless of make, model, or manufacturer. From billing to supplies fulfillment and predictive service, we help you automate your device monitoring activities. Create actionable alerts based on event thresholds, triggers, error codes, and LCD screen text to be more proactive. Increase device uptime and resolve service issues before your customer even knows there's a problem. Don't send a technician out for unnecessary calls. Resolve issues remotely and close those calls the first time. Build and schedule customized reports to make data-driven decisions about your managed print program. Demonstrate value to customers and deliver personalized assessments to win the deal every time. Regardless of what your customers look like or what operating system they're using, our cross-platform data collection agent enables you to monitor and manage devices with ease. Know when new printers have been added, and even capture information from competitive devices so you don't miss any opportunities. Printanista is part of ECI's fully integrated office technology suite, designed to streamline workflows and connect your entire organization. With Printanista data fueling automation for your managed print business, your team can focus on supporting new revenue and expansion opportunities. Dealers all over the world trust our DCA to monitor more than 13 million devices every single day. Are you ready to join them? You can get started today. Contact us to get your personal demonstration of Printanista.